In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on your GoDaddy website builder, a vital skill for anyone looking to personalize their site and make it stand out. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to begin by heading over to the GoDaddy homepage. You'll find this at godaddy.com. Once you're there, your next step will be to locate the Sign In button. It's typically positioned at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to log into your GoDaddy account. Enter your credentials and proceed to sign in. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, use the Forgot Password feature to reset them securely. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This dashboard is like Command Central for your GoDaddy products and services. Now, what you'll want to do is find the specific website for which you want to change the background. Navigate through your list and select the appropriate site. With your website selected, click on Edit Website. This will direct you to the GoDaddy website editor where all the magic happens. Here, you can control your website's appearance, settings, and more. Once inside the editor, take a good look at the various sections or pages of your site. Pick the one where you want the background change to take place. On the right-hand panel, you'll see customization options. We're going to focus on background settings here. Now, you'll be presented with different background options. You can choose a solid color from the palette, an image from GoDaddy stock photos, or upload your own. Alternatively, for a more dynamic feel, you can select a video background, which adds a modern touch to your site. If you opt for an image, you have the ability to reposition it, zoom in and out, or even apply filters to better match your site's aesthetics. Should you decide to change the image, simply click on Change Image. You'll then have the option to upload a fresh photo from your device or select another from GoDaddy's robust library of stock images. Once you have the image you want, click on Insert to make it the background of the chosen section. After inserting the image, take a moment to review how everything looks. If you're satisfied with the changes, you'll want to finalize them. Just ensure you click on Done to save your adjustments. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully updated the background on your GoDaddy website, adding a touch of your personal style or aligning it with your brand's aesthetics. Remember, a well-chosen background can significantly enhance user experience and make your website more engaging. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you create a more captivating site.